Hello, welcome to Skill English. I hope you are fine and enjoying with your English lessons. Today's session is about English grammar and we are going to talk about the definite article the and when not to use the article the. So, let's get ready and start with our new session. But before that, I would like you to do something. If you are enjoying my videos, if you are enjoying my lessons, go and hit the like button so that I can also know that you are enjoying my lessons and that will motivate me to do something further. Those who are new to my channel for the first time today, please don't forget to put your likes, comments and definitely subscribe to my channel so that when I upload my next video, you will get all the information then and there. So friends, let's get ready and start with today's lesson, which is about when not to use the article the. All the time we have learned when to use indefinite article a, n and definite article the. But when not to use the, this is very interesting. I hope today's session will be an interesting one for all of you. Please put a little bit of your time to my channel and I'm sure you will go a long way improving it. So let's start. When not to use the definite article. First thing we have to keep in mind is when we talk about things in general, when we are talking about things in general, we should not use the. Like, dogs are great animals. I am not saying which dog. I am just saying in general, a class of animal, that is dogs are great animal. Then we should never use the definite article the. Next, my mother loves reading books. I am saying my mother loves reading books. I am not saying what type of books, what category of book, especially the specific book. I am just saying my mother enjoys reading books. So in that case, I have to keep in mind that I will never use the. Next, she loves listening to music. She loves listening to music. I am not saying here what is the type of music, exact type of music. Is it rock music? Is it classical music? No, I am not saying anything about it. I am just saying about music. So when we are talking about things in general, we should keep in mind that we should not use the definite article the. I hope this is the first point which we have to keep in mind. I hope you are enjoying it. Next, we should remember that we should not use the definite article when before names of holidays, countries, companies, languages, location, names of subjects we study in school. Again I am repeating, we should keep in mind something when not to use the definite article. Before names of holidays, before names of countries, before names of companies, before names of languages, before names of any location we are going to mention, and before names of subject we study in school. Keep this in mind, it is very important. I am always saying, if you want to improve your grammar, don't memorize sentences. You have to keep in mind the logic, you have to keep in mind the rules. So what is it? We should never use the before holidays, countries, companies, languages, location, name of subjects we study in school. So let us take some examples and I am sure we will be able to understand it better. Have a look at this. She gave me a new dress for Diwali. I will not use the before Diwali. She gave me a new dress for Diwali. Or for Christmas. I will have to keep in mind, I will not use the. Next, what do you do on Valentine's Day? Important days. Holiday. So here I am not using the. We should never use what do you do on the Valentine's Day. This is wrong. We should not use definite article the. What do you do on Valentine's Day? Next, I live in India. So before names of countries, you should not use the article the. I can't write here, I live in the India. But here you have to keep in mind, there are some countries which uses the, which is a part of their name, like the United States of America. If you don't use the there, then you are wrong. So there is an exception always, and that also you have to keep in mind. You should write, I live in India, but you can also say she lives in the United States of America. That we have to keep in mind. See, names of companies, say Microsoft. So who founded Microsoft? I should not write who founded the Microsoft. Before name of company, you should not use the article the. Next one. My friend graduated from Harvard. Name of university. You cannot write my friend graduated from the Harvard. You should write my friend graduated from Harvard. But there are some names of university, but if the name of the university begins with the name university, so in that case you can't use, you have to use the, like the University of Toronto. In that case, remember, you have to use the definite article the. Names of languages, say English. I speak English. I speak English. If you write I speak the, what is the difference between I speak English and if you put article the before English? The English means the poor English people. Not here mentioned. When you are mentioning about any languages, so you should write I speak English. I speak French. I speak Latin. Not I speak the English. Remember, when you use the before any languages, it means the people. So if I write the English, that means I am trying to say here the English people, not the language. So keep in mind. I left my purse at home, location. And not at the home, not at the home, not at the home. Remember, this is absolutely wrong. I left my purse at home, location. I am very tired. I am going to bed. This is also a position or a location where I am trying to mention. I cannot say I am very tired, so going to the bed. Location, you can't use the. Last one. My favorite subject is history. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful subject. You get to know a lot about the country, lot about people. But before names of subject, you can't use the. So, what you understood today about this chapter is you can't use definite article the when you are talking about things in general, not specific. Next, before names of holidays, before names of countries, before names of companies, before names of languages, before name or mentioning any location, and very important names of subjects which we study in school. So, before I say goodbye to you from Skill English, I hope you are enjoying my lessons. And please do it by going and hit the like button always. And just by watching once, you will not gain everything. You have to watch this session over and over again when you get time. And I'm sure Skill English will help you to improve your English. Before I say goodbye to you, I just like to mention again one thing. Don't try to learn English by translation. If you don't understand once, go and try again. Go and try again. I'm sure you will be able to improve your English. Until next time from Skill English, goodbye and have a nice time. Thank you.